Now I want to show you how to do a vendor return. You'll find it under the Purchasing menu, New Vendor Return. And what you'll typically do is select your vendor, click the Item Lookup button by the field here, click Find Now, and you'll search by vendor those items that you've received on POs from that vendor. Now, if this list is long, you should still be able to find it even if you don't know the appropriate PO by utilizing the search criteria fields up here. Like you can search by PO number, work order number, item number. Also, even if you don't know the vendor offhand, if you leave that blank and click your lookup, you'll be looking through all the items you've received, but you can still use that search criteria to narrow it down. Additionally, you can, if you want, even create a vendor return on items that were not received on a purchase order. That is a feature you can deactivate. However you do it, you're going to select the item by highlighting it, clicking Select Item. That will put it on the vendor return, and you can add multiple items to a return. You have a field to put in an RMA number. You have a drop-down list of return reasons. This list is maintained under Lists, Vendor Return Reasons. If you want to remove, just highlight it and click Delete Line. This vendor return number is generated via the settings in the vendor return configuration. Right here I have the format selected as branch short ID and sequence number, but there's a couple of other options in there, including just sequence number or just date. And right here, if you check this box, that will disable that ability to create vendor returns on parts that were not received on POs, and it will force you to return items to the original vendor. And if we click the print and save, this is what the document looks like. And the vendor return will remain in open status until it is finalized by checking this box here. And any vendor return you create will henceforth be found in the vendor return finder, also found under the Purchasing menu. And the finder is called Open Vendor Returns. And that's the one I just made, so it has a status of closed. But this finder will also show all vendor returns regardless of status. And that's how you process a vendor return.